Hey, it's Leah, and today I just got my Thrive order for my back to school. And here, let's see, I did the large potato chunks, strawberries, flour that's gluten-free. I'm excited to try this. The bell peppers and green bell peppers. And then I did a bunch of to-go packages. So I just want to kind of show you what came in my package today. So these are the to-goes. Right here is the chicken salad. It already has your chicken, onions, and celery. All you have to do is add mayo and water. I love this because all you have to do is water. So say you cruise through Starbucks and you ask for a water, just plug it in, reseal the top, and then go ahead and mix it. And some of these you can just grab the little mayos and like the to-goes, and that way you can eat this on the road, eat it if you were flying or traveling, anything like that. So I have a couple of those. Then I went with the island style pork. I absolutely love this one. It's so yummy. So it has the pork, pineapple, onions, and island seasoning. Now when you do this one, you will add hot water, and I suggest shaking it because as it sits, you have it sitting up all the time. All your little island spices will be going to the bottom, and then you feel like there's no flavor. But I've learned that as long as when I add my water, I'll turn it upside down and I shake it and then massage it, and then that way you will get all that seasoning. So you can add this, pile it on a bun, serve it over rice, enjoy it right from the bag. So another easy, fast meal that you can just have on the go. So if you're traveling, or you know, you're a truck driver, or you're going to school, or anything, this is such an easy process to eat healthy meals. Here is the chicken fajita. So this one's really good too. I like even throwing this one in the pan once in a while. You can do, this is made with chicken, bell peppers, onions, fajita seasoning. So same thing, just add your hot water and you can shake it up. Then you'll want to massage it and just get all the seasoning in. So this you can fold into a tortilla, eat with tortilla chips, enjoy straight from the bag. So also do remember to remove the oxygen absorber. So that's easy to forget, but make sure that you do read this and remove that. Here it will have all your information on the ingredients, and it's minimally processed. All right, so I did do a bunch of these because I do hand these out. When you do get the chicken salads, here is your mayonnaise. So how cool is that? They even include the little mayonnaise in here for you. All right. Strawberries, absolutely love them. Eat them right from the can. Ah, these are so amazing. Ingredients, I love checking ingredients. Strawberries. So these are just right there. Snack from the can, blend in a smoothie, top on ice cream, however you want. I love this because they are dried and you can just crush them up and put them on top of anything. If you were doing any coloring in cookies or frosting, anything like that, it allows you to just crush up the blueberries and strawberries and make red and blue. Right here, I have not tried these. Super excited. Green bell pepper. I don't know how many bell peppers I throw away. So here, ingredients, green bell peppers. So we'll see how that one goes. I love getting red and green peppers, but I never use them all. So here I have the red bell pepper. Again, your ingredients is red bell pepper. Snack from the can, mix into a salsa, fold into a fajita. So great chef bites. Add a 1/3 cup of water and 1 cup peppers. Let sit 10 to 15 minutes until tender, or toss into your creation and go. So red pepper, green pepper. And what else do we have in here? Some strawberries. I didn't do a whole lot on this order because my pantry is pretty full right now. So, I don't even know if I can lift this. So this is the flour, the gluten-free flour. And this is the potato chunks. So I did the big family cans because I'm constantly going through my potato chunks. I have quite a few meals that I do with that one. And I'm new to the gluten-free flour. We're going to test that out and see what that tastes like. But as you can see, these are the bigger cans. Definitely well worth your money. So if it's something that you really use a lot of, you can compare and see. You're going to get a lot more from the pantry can to the size 10 family can. So if there's anything I can answer or help you with, please do let me know. This is a great way to put products right into your pantry. When you're ready to eat, just grab the products that you want, and especially the to-goes. These are great in absolutely everything. I really love them in my smoothies, and I also put them in my oatmeal and top it that way. So, but it's a great snack while you're on the road. Throw some in a baggie and take them with you. So that way you have that fresh snacks. And here, these are great to hand out to family and friends, anyone who's traveling, so that they can taste how easy this product is and how yummy. So I will see you on my next video, and we'll see what we cook up. I thank you for your time, and see you next time. Bye for now.